Hi, my name is Justin. This is my reflection project for my social media and emerging tech course. We are in week 5, and we're supposed to be reflecting on all the projects that we've done and the posts that we have done. And one of the quotes that I thought was appropriate for this was Timothy chapter 2, verse 15, and he says, "Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who does not need to be ashamed, and who correctly handles the word of truth." I felt that this was fitting because we're talking about our own opinions that we're putting on social media to other people, and we want to make sure that when we're doing this is what we believe in, and so it's our truth, but that we're genuine when we do so. And the goal of this was to kind of reflect on projects throughout this course and your social media platforms and things that you have done, and how your Christian worldview has influenced public opinion and social change through social media experiences. I chose one post in particular, and it was one of the very first projects that we did where we wrote about our opinion on whether there should be some control/regulation of social media platforms. I chose this because I do not post a lot of things online about my opinion of different topics. The reasoning behind this is I'm worried about what others think, and it seems that I'm finding out that I care a lot more about what other people think than I originally thought. And I found that I prefer that, obviously, that someone agrees with me rather than not, unless it's a topic that I have a lot of knowledge about. Then I tend to be more confident, even if there is someone who disagrees. Although, obviously, this is the point, and that is to be educated and to look at things from different perspectives, other people's perspectives. And I did find that I had made it very easy for others to agree with that specific post about the regulation of social media platforms, because I kind of laid it all out for them. But I also made it very easy for them to disagree as well. This post was the first time that I have really had people who know me well, and vice versa, share their opinion, and for them to be able to read my opinion. And then one thing that I could have done differently was to share more stories, possibly, and more thoughts about how I truly feel about any topic, as well as maybe stories, and that was also for my other social media platform that I was sharing stories on about my career and what I do for a living. And another question of this was, how has your participation changed your understanding of permanence, subjectivity, influence, quality, and meaning? During these 5 weeks of class, my understandings have changed. As you know, once you put something out there on the internet, it's permanently there. There's no taking it back. So making sure that you say what you mean the first time is extremely important. And if you're sharing your thoughts and ideas, make them yours. But, put a lot of thought into it. Make them insightful. You only get to share one post one time. And you want it to be influential if you're trying to make a change social change, or it's a topic that you're passionate about, and thought provoking too, so that maybe you can hear the opinions of others as well.